In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sale-priced products collection in Shopify. Open your Shopify admin in the browser. In the left sidebar, click Products. Under Products, click Collections. On the Collections page, go to the top right and click Add Collection to start creating a new one. In the title field, type SALE. Say the word as you enter it so the timing feels natural on screen. SALE. This will be the name of the collection customers see in your store. After that, scroll down until you reach the Collection Type section. Select Smart. As soon as you choose this option, a Conditions section appears below. And this is where you define which products Shopify should pull into the collection automatically. In the first condition row, click the first dropdown. This is the product condition type. From the list, choose Compare at Price. Then move to the second dropdown and select Is Greater Than. In the Value field, type 0, just a single 0. This condition tells Shopify to include any product where Compare at Price exists above 0, which means the product is set up as a sale item. Now go to the top right and click Save. Once the collection is saved, scroll down to the Products section on the collection page. Here, Shopify shows the products that match the rule you just created. You should see the two sale price products appear automatically. The two products that are still full price will not appear in this collection. Next, go back to the Collections page by clicking Collections again in the left sidebar. Find the sale collection you created, then click the checkbox next to it to select it. After that, click Include in Sales Channel. A panel will open. In that panel, choose the sales channel where you want this collection to appear by clicking its checkbox. Then click Include Collection to confirm. At this point, the collection is created and included in the selected sales channel. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Your store now has a sale link in the main navigation. When someone clicks it, they see a collection page that only shows products with a Compare at Price set. As products are discounted by adding a Compare at Price, or returned to full price by removing it, the collection updates automatically without any manual changes.